Presenting the Acura 2017 ILX. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include wheel, 17x7.0 aluminum alloy noise reducing, heated front sports seats, leatherette trimmed interior, radio, Acura audio system, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control and front bucket seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.